Hey y'all, welcome back to Barimelts channel. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe to make these yummy mini pizzas that are bariatric friendly. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. Alright, so to get us started, you're going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. And while that's preheating, we're going to put the mini pizzas together. So the items you're going to need the Thomas English muffins. This is the 100% whole wheat kind. And then you're gonna need your veggies of your choice. So I am using baby spinach, and then I'm going to use this mix of onions and mushrooms and chop them up a little finer. And then you'll also need your pizza sauce and mozzarella finely shredded cheese. Now, be very careful with the pizza sauce because they can have some hidden sugar in there. This one is really good because it only has 3 grams of sugar, so it's a really, really good choice for a pizza sauce. If it will focus and you can see. It's the Ragu pizza sauce. All right, it's just not wanting to focus. So you guys just got to trust me that this is the best one to get. All right, so those are our ingredients. So let's go ahead and chop up our veggies. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and chop these up pretty fine because we don't want them to be in big chunks. We want them to be pretty diced onions. And then I've also got some mushrooms here. I'm gonna chop them up very finely as well. I am okay with mushrooms as long as they are chopped up very fine. I do not like big chunks of mushrooms. And then lastly we have the spinach, so I'm just gonna try to cut this up a little bit, but it's gonna get a little messy on the pizza. All right, so after we have the veggies all cut up, we are going to put the pizza sauce on the Thomas English muffins here. So I'm just gonna cut this open. So we have 2 little mini pizzas. Okay, so now that we have the 2 pizza crusts ready, we are going to just take a little bit of this marinara sauce and put it right over the English muffins, like this. All right, so now that we have that, we're just gonna add the veggies on top. Try to spread them out a little bit. The spinach is gonna get things a little exciting here, but that's okay. It doesn't matter how ugly it is. That means it'll be tastier. All right, and then after that, you're just gonna sprinkle on the mozzarella cheese, the best part. Oh my goodness. And you guys, honestly, you can go a little crazy here because these are super light. For both of these together, it's only 250 calories. So super, super light. And that's actually probably overdoing it. They're probably only like 200 calories for 2 of them here. So super light, have fun with the veggies. It doesn't have to be these veggies. You can use turkey pepperoni, you can use chicken, you can use pineapple, you can use whatever you want for these. Just make sure you're using a low sugar pizza sauce and something like an English muffin where they're smaller portions, they're smaller carbs, and they're whole grains, so it's a healthier choice for you. And now I just popped them on a pan and I'm gonna put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. They don't need to be in there long, but you need to keep an eye on them. So let's pop them in and see how they turn out. And there you have it, my friends, a super light, super yummy, and healthy mini pizza. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you would, give it a big thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below, what are your favorite pizza toppings? And if you give this pizza a chance, leave it down below as well and let me know what you think. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, y'all.